To convert SketchUp SKP file into OBJ file, please install AutoConverter software, freely available from our website. Then, please click on the Open ribbon button, and navigate to your SKP file location, to load your SKP model into the model space. As you can see, SKP model has been imported, with custom materials, including texture images. To convert SKP model into OBJ file, please click on the Save as ribbon button, and then, specify the new OBJ file name, and then, click on the Save dialog button. You can open the new OBJ file with AutoConverter, or any other software, to check the conversion results. To download and evaluate AutoConverter software, for free, during the first 2 evaluation days, please visit our website at www.automapkey.com. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.